de Lamar, born on the 10th December 1988, living at his parents' house, address Meelstraat 21, Haarlem. Thomas is a third-year student, following the IMEM program at the NHTV in Breda. At the moment he is working as intern at Mager Research, address Raphael Church at Raphaelplein 27, Amsterdam. Daily routine. Every day he leaves the house between 0740 and 0755 and bikes to Haarlem Central Station, where he will jump on bus 176 to bus stop Amstelveenseweg. There he will take tram 24 towards Olympiaplein, which is just a 2-minute walk from the Raphael Church. Job statistics. Working as an intern at Mager Research in a research manager's department. He helps out with making interview checklists, presentations, articles, stimulus material and other things. So far Thomas did 2 research interviews himself and wrote 1 shadow report. He's learning to set up proper research questions, conducting interviews and analyze data and material. He gets stronger every day. Approach with caution.